coming in this house. Hello?
Hi, we're coming.
Who do we have here?
This is Kate.
Hi, Kate. Adam.
Hi.
Hi. You want to go on a boat ride, Kate?
Yeah.
Can I pick you up and carry you?
Yeah.
I'm coming.
Who do we got here?
That's our dog.
What's your dog's name? Ralph. Ralph. Here, let me go check the back door real quick.
Yeah.
I'll be right back. Alright, here's a handoff.
Yeah.
Ready?
That's my rainbow.
You guys excited to go on a boat ride?
My rainbow.
What's your name again?
That's my rainbow.
Kate.
That's my rainbow.
All right, buddy. Mommy's gonna get the boat. Here, you wanna get him on, William?
Yeah.
Alright, say bye-bye to your house for a couple days.
See you later, house.
You made it, though.
We'll be back. Oh my
A
God.
little step down here. Okay, I want you to put your arm on my shoulder.
Oh.
You okay? How you feel? I sit here. So we're gonna probably get the two of us back here. All right, go ahead and jump in.
On the middle on the floor. Make sure somebody's grabbing it.
Why don't we put you and her in the middle? All right. So we can turn. We can pick that seat up. You go.
I've been here almost 60 years. 60 years.
Move over here.
Wow. Never seen it.
Yeah.
I got 2 more kids and 4 adults coming to family.
That's cool.
Are you picking them up?
Yeah. I got like 4 kids in the truck right now.
Thank you.
No problem. Y'all okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, right there by the. Okay. Yep.
The ones that we stack.
That way we don't hit the same.
Huh? Yeah, so they walk all the way around the curve there. They're knocking on doors.
You all right, Mom?
I'm so tired.
Yeah, this sucks.
So, not too far from just climbing on into the backyard
and getting right here to the patio. So here's the gator moving along. You can see him just kind of taking his time. He's inside of the fence again. I'm going to show you. So here's the top of the fence, the low part, where he is able to get into our backyard. And now it looks like there's not only him, but now him. So not too far from just climbing on into the backyard and getting right here to the patio.
Okay, we got John on the way. Happy Boots in rotation. Miss Megan, we are on the way, baby. Get your stuff together. On the way. Happy Boots, Bossy Inc., Paradise Promotions, okay? SUC, DPG. We are going to look out for our people. We on the way, Miss Megan.
We are in the medical center and it is completely underwater. You see a guy getting by on his bike here. That is Ben Taub Hospital you're looking at right behind us. And they just told us that they are having a septic issue which is getting into their basement. In fact, we just saw some people bringing out sandbags a short time ago, but you can see absolutely underwater. In fact, I just talked to the spokesperson at Ben Taub. He said right now we're an island and that's creating a huge problem because we can't can't have crews coming in that provide much needed supplies to the hospital that they typically would have on a daily basis. Not only that, but the fact that the septic issue is causing a number of problems because in the basement, that's where they have their pharmacy, all of the medications that their patients would need. That it's also where they have food and supplies like gloves, linen, some basic things to run day-to-day operations of the hospital. Now, right now, he told me they're basically on assessing the situation, kind of figuring out exactly how to handle this, and really it is a very fluid situation. They do not...
Ici, d'ordinaire, c'est une autoroute très embouteillée un lundi matin comme aujourd'hui. Il y a beaucoup d'habitants de Houston qui l'empruntent pour aller au travail. Vous voyez, aujourd'hui, c'est une rivière. Et le panneau au fond, là-bas, indique la hauteur maximale. C'est environ 5 mètres. Vous voyez que l'eau atteint quasiment cette hauteur. Ça veut dire qu'il y a 5 mètres de profondeur. Un habitant me disait que même un bateau ne pourrait pas passer sur cette autoroute qui est désormais une rivière.
It's okay, baby. Hold on. Someone's coming. Someone's coming, baby. Hold on. Let me see if I can go around. What happened, baby? Come on. You gotta follow me. Can you swim a little bit? Come on. Come on, this way. This way. Oh, baby. I called the police. They'll be here in a little bit, okay? Hold on. Let me see if I can get you up.